This sandwich is gross. Paul, you should stop putting bread in the refrigerator.
Yeah, it's all crumbly.
You're not supposed to do that. I don't even want this anymore.
And stop complaining about it.
Yum, yum, yum.
What are you doing?
That's like zooming on your face. Actually was like, ooh.
I was about to say balls, but
Balls.
I can't say it.
No, then you can say like it's a question like balls, and you can like exclaim it
Have like an
balls,
entire conversation just saying balls.
balls,
Balls?
balls, 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 no balls.
Slap.
Pussy.
Grab a bite of someone's sandwich.
Huh? It was like, wait, pussy, pussy,
What?
Other side.
Don't take it!
Ah, girl.
I don't want to. All that.
Now you begging for it.
No, other side. Right.
Dick. This fit.
Big ass sergeant bite.
Like olive oil.
That's the only one I got, right?
Olive oil.
Looks like there's olive oil in it.
In what? The bread?
Mm-hmm.
Cheese. What is it? Shark cheese? Shark? Mild? What type of cheese?
medium
You
rare.
got some chicken?
Your mama's cheese.
How come you don't have
Oh, that sounds gross.
How come you don't have no chicken in this house? Where's the chicken?
Yeah.
We have turkey.
We never look in the freezer. I just realized that.
You probably got them steaks.
There's nothing but potatoes.
And bread.
Bread? Why
Why
is
you
bread
have
in
bread?
the refrigerator?
Oh,
You don't
no.
put bread in the freezer because when you thaw it, it'll be soggy.
Is that trout in there?
Damn, you know your fish.
Did you say there were potatoes?
Is that
Why
trout?
are there Why are there potatoes in your freezer?
I thought that was
Can I make some
potatoes.
Because
fries?
that's how we like them.
Can I make some fries?
No.
That was
You should have
bread.
went to my house. I got all kinds of food.
Yeah, oatmeal, got that oatmeal?
Yes.
What's wrong with your voice?
I got 2 big old
See, I told you.
Yeah, I've noticed now.
I sound like
And
a
my mom bought some
she-man.
stir-fry skillets and
He
I sound
man,
like a
she
she-man.
got tilapia.
manly girl,
She got chicken and rice.
chicken and beer.
That's gross.
Beer batter chicken is good.
No, it's not.
My family puts beer in the sweet
Maybe I'm thinking of
potatoes.
fish. Beer batter fish. That's gross.
I like salmon.